Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to fix error 147-0 in Office. First, we'll take a brief look at two common causes of the error. Then we'll show you how to repair the Office installation. And finally, we'll show you how to reinstall the application. Error 147-0 is usually found while installing Microsoft Office. That can happen if there's an existing Office installation, or if the installation is corrupt. To repair your Office installation, start by typing Control Panel into your Windows search bar. Then open the Control Panel. Next, click on Uninstall a program, or select Programs and Features if you're viewing the icons. Now head down and select your Microsoft 365 application. You can right-click and select Change, or click Change at the top. Leave Quick Repair selected, then click Repair. And hit Repair again to confirm. If repairing your installation doesn't work, try reinstalling Office. To do that, return to your Control Panel. And go back to Uninstall a program, or Programs and Features. This time, right-click your Microsoft Office application and select Uninstall. Once the application has been uninstalled, restart your device. Then open your web browser and go to office.com. There, click on Install Apps in the top right. And select Premium Apps from the drop-down. Once you've downloaded the installer, reinstall the application, and you should no longer see the 147-0 error. That's all for this video. We hope it was helpful. Check the description for additional links and resources. And leave a comment below if you have any concerns or questions. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.